Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 2414 25th Avenue West. The date today is July 3rd, July 16th, Monday, 2018. What you're looking at now is about 100 feet out down the sewer line. And there's something kind of blocking it up there. We're going to pull back and get a recording of the rest of the line. So right there at about 66 feet down the line is where you start seeing a little bit of a backup. I can get the camera out to 100 feet, but it's all underwater from this point on. So we'll keep pulling back. This is old 4-inch concrete pipe. In there at about 40 feet. Is it? There's another tie-in at 33 feet. Not sure if that's them or if. There's a turn right there at 30 feet with some roots growing in. Minor roots. Turn there at 20 feet. Looks to be in okay condition. Now we're back inside the cast iron under the house. Pulling out of the clean out there. There's your clean out down here in the basement laundry room. That is the recording.